Hey everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to upgrade to EazyDocs Pro and install it on your WordPress site. We are going to show you how to upgrade directly from your WordPress dashboard. In your WordPress admin panel, go to the EazyDocs menu and click Upgrade. Again, choose your plan and licenses, then click Upgrade Now. Enter your payment details and complete the transaction. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll be redirected to your account details. Here you'll find a button named Download Pro Version. This file contains your license and installation instructions. Now download this EazyDocs Pro version file. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New. Click the Upload Plugin button and select the downloaded EazyDocs Pro latest.zip file. Click Install Now and wait for the installation to complete. Here we see the installation is completed. Now activate the EazyDocs Pro plugin. Now paste the license key here, which we copied during EazyDocs Pro plugin downloading process. You're now ready to explore all the powerful features of EazyDocs Pro. Don't forget to deactivate your license if you ever switch sites or stop using the plugin. You can do this under EazyDocs Pro account deactivate license.